So people send me stuff in the mail because I have you as a subscriber, and I happen to have a lot of subscribers. There was a sprinkler system remote control. I don't have a sprinkler system. There was a floor waxer. What am I gonna? I'm not going to wax a floor. But then someone said, how about I send you a multi-tool? I'm like, oh, multi-tool. I can do that. So someone sent me a free multi-tool, and then I figured, well, let's do a multi-tool challenge. So I bought some other ones too. So let's get the, hold on. I didn't clean up before you got here. Is that good? Okay, here we go. Welcome to the multi-tool challenge. Let's do the prices here. $9.99, $18.99. How am I doing? $38.35. That's $38.35. And the other one is $109.99. So we've got all the prices laid out, and I don't know which one works with which price. So let's have you think about this, and I'll reveal the actual prices at the end of the video. Right here on The Price is Right. So this is the DeWalt MT16. 16 tools, and it's shiny and it's yellow. How's that for a display? Pretty nice. A ruler. Oh yeah, we're all gonna need a 2-inch ruler. Can opener, bottle opener, serrated knife, a little skizzers. We have a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver, and that's how that works out. Okay, so this is going to be kind of a, a brief explanation. I'm not going to go out in the woods and test any of these. Next up for grabs is the Perwin model PMTO1SR15. It says 17-in-1 multi-tool with self-locking blah, 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 blah. This looks like it's engineered a little better than the DeWalt. And look, there's a clipper there, and needle nose pliers, and a regular plier, and then it has these big blades. Look at the size of that blade. That's nice. And there's a big file over on this side. And you flip it over, has a nice big blade. And then over here is a nice pair of scissors. Next one is the Torch Pioneer Professional Multi-Tool. On the back, it shows all the different, features, but one of them says a nano ceramic window breaker. It's this little tiny thing on the end, and you're supposed to slam that into a window if you need to break a window, maybe in an emergency. This has a great scissors, and I'm like, where's the pliers on this thing? The pliers is, this is just engineered better. You would think this would be plastic. This right here, this blue stuff, that's all metal. This is metal. Pretty neat. So this also has a cutter on it and a ruler here. Here is plastic handcuffs cutter right there in case you need to escape and cut your handcuffs, and you happen to have this multi-tool handy. It's got a locking thing on it, and then here's another blade. So that's a pretty nice one. I like that. This is probably, if I'm gonna guess, this is more expensive than that, and this is more expensive than the DeWalt. So let's go to the fourth one. This one also has a cover. This is the Whirl Multi-Tool Pliers. So it's got pliers, pretty nice. Has a blade. The Phillips screwdriver, that's a little lame. I don't know about that one. There's a regular screwdriver. I mean, that's pretty nice. It's pretty basic, I would say. So let's fan this out. There's the Whirl right there. Okay. The Torch right here. We've got the Perwin right here. And then the DeWalt. So, what do you think was the most expensive one? I'm going to tell you right now, it is the Torch. The company sent me this Torch, $109.99, and that's why I wanted to get the other multi-tools, just to see if it's really worth $109. And I'm going to say, yeah, probably. It probably is. This is the cheapest one, That was my guess. And the DeWalt was $38.35. And this Perwin was only $18.99. So I would say for the best value for your buck might be this Perwin, but if you're a true hardcore professional firefighter or maybe a policeman or something, I bet you these guys probably carry these. $109.99. So there you go. Links to all of these are in the description below if you want to pick something up and support the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.